Let's bring on board Kunal and Naresh and talk about the chartbusters that they're spotting in trade right now. Kunal, what's on your list?
So it's United Spirits, and what I'm trying to showcase is a phenomena which has occurred repetitively the last 20 years of the chart patterns for United Spirits. And the upper grid is the stochastic oscillator indicator, and the lower grid is the prices. And wherever we've seen the oscillator getting into a breakout, this leads into a multi-year rally for United Spirits. We saw that happening in 2002 when the stock was sub the 50 odd rupees mark. We saw a multi-year rally coming out for the stock. This is on the monthly chart basis. This was the second point where the stochastic oscillator gave a breakout, and the stock went into again a multi-year rally, crossing back above the previous highs in 2007-8. This was the one in 2012-13 for the stock price. You saw a major rally, almost a 40 to 50% upside for the stock was seen over here. The most recent one, and we've seen that phenomena happening for 2017, 2021, and the recent phenomena, which is where we are trading right now, is the stochastic oscillator giving a yet another similar breakout. The stock coming out of a major consolidation on the verge of breaking past about the major highs, which I believe could probably lead into a major upside for the stock price. So with a time frame of 6 months to 1 year, I believe United Spirits could actually be a very good buy for a potential target of at least 1400 to 1500.
United Spirits it is. Let's take it across to Naresh and find out his chartbuster pick. Naresh?
So looking at the auto space, this is a sector which looks interesting in that Bosch Limited is one which has not broken out in the last few months. But if you look at the last 2 months, it has consolidated well between 18,500 to 19,500, 2,000. It has ex-dividend of 280 rupees. So very close to the breakout point now would be closer to 19,600, 800 zones. And if it can sustain that breakout, that would be a short-term breakout as well as the last 2-3 year range breakout. So expecting this to break out over the next few weeks, keeping a buy at current levels as well as on dips, it's an accumulate. Stop loss at 18,500, target price of 22,000 to 24,000.
Okay, let's get cracking with those individual stock recommendations too. And Kunal, what's on your radar?
So Devyani International is the first stock which I would recommend as a buy. We discussed this in the morning. Stock heading towards a breakout above 197.5 levels. So targets remain the same at 210. Stop loss could be kept at 190. And HEG is the other stock which I would suggest as a buy, a high beta pocket. But then the stock is coming out of a bullish flag pattern on the chart. So 1800 could be a positional target. So almost a 10% upside is what I'm expecting over the near term. Stop loss at 1500.
Okay, and Naresh, let's find out what stocks are making it to your list.
So first is a buy on SBI, trying to make that breakout move above 600, 602 levels, 590 acting as a support. Stop loss at 587, target price of 620 in the short term. Second is a buy on Bharat Forge, a slow and steady trend here. Stop loss at 850, target price of 950.
Thanks very much, gentlemen, for joining in and sharing with us all those chartbuster ideas. Tell you what, we'll take a very quick break. Be right back as we get you all the stocks on the move.